Hello, hello YouTube. We are going to learn some JavaScript. So come with me and we will make you into an amazing JavaScript developer. We're going to start off on client-side coding. To get us up and going really quick, let's just open up a web browser. I happen to be using Google Chrome here. Any web browser will work. They all have a console, a web developer console is where we're going to be typing and learning JavaScript in, just to make it super easy, super straightforward. In Google Chrome and many text editors, you hit F12 and it'll open up the web developer console. Here in Chrome, it usually starts on the bottom. There's a tab called Console, and if you click that, it'll open up this JavaScript console down here where you can type JavaScript. And it will run in real time. So for now, let's just start with this console. Hopefully people can get to this point rather quickly, and so we can start typing. Quick note, in Chrome, if you hit Control L, it'll clear the console. I hit Control L, it'll just clear it for me. It's pretty useful to keep things clean. Okay, first lesson is going to be on variables. So in JavaScript, a variable is a place in memory that holds some data or some logic. In JavaScript, there are no types, so a variable is a variable is a variable, is a way to think of it. So to define a variable, you just say var, and then your variable name, and you type in a name, and then hit enter. Notice that the var word says we're about to create a variable. Next we say what our name of variable is. Here's an equal sign, just like in math, algebra, whatever on one side of the equal side equals the other side of the equal sign. So this string of text with the capital B, lowercase r-e-n-t, is going to be equal to my name. Semicolon in JavaScript is kind of like a period in an English sentence, is end of one statement. So that is defining a variable. You can also do numbers. It doesn't care if it's a string, if it's a number, if it's an object, if it's a function. We'll go into what those are later. But you can also hit up arrow and cycle through your previous commands in this editor, so you can get back to what you typed before. Pretty useful. Okay, that is the basics of variable. The var keyword is pretty important. For now, let's just think of it as always, whenever you're creating a variable, always use this var keyword. Okay, and that is going to be the basics of our variable tutorial. Thank you for bearing with me. I'm kind of new to this tutorial world. Thank you for your time, and please check back again. Cheers.